Hello everyone. Hello. I welcome you all in the Rover Project 6. So here you are seeing Rover Project 6 actually. So my collection reach on number 6 actually. So we're seeing here, as like always, as like the previous, three vehicles. This one, the first one is a dark metal, second one is a camouflage, and the third one is the mart. So three vehicles for three situation. So it's a sci-fi. This one is a liquid container vehicle, or you can say kind of a precious mineral or something like that. So they are coming with 11 set of textures. So you can see here, these are something like carrying precious mineral or precious cargo or something. So it's a sci-fi cargo truck. So this one actually is number 6. So as like always, I will do it I will export in a Unity and then the Unreal version. So both of the version I will do later. So imagine this is a kind of a vehicle that is part of a scientific experiment, a scientific exploration of a far planet away. So something like that, and you can use it is it's a pretty low poly, so you can use it in your project like in an RTS game. It's a best suit for RTS game, but you can use it as a first person or third person game also. So I hope you are enjoying it. So it's a conceptual track actually. So it's a number 6. So I hope you are enjoying this one, and I'll continue it in Unity first, Unity HDRP, and then the Unreal. So keep watching. Thank you. Okay, hi. I welcome you all in the Rover 6 Unity version. You are seeing it from the Unity. This is from Unity HDRP. So you can see here, this is the three Rover 6. This is the dark metal. This is camouflage, and this is the Rover Mart. So in the Unity HDRP, you can have the rover 3D model, and also the okay, yeah, here is the textures. So all the textures are ready, and all the textures are 4K. All the textures are 4K and fully ready. And also you can have here the materials. So the materials are also ready. So at least 11 materials is containing this project. And you can see also here, I am giving you a kind of prefab. Okay, so prefabs are very important part in a game or in a asset pack. So you can have the three vehicles prefab like this one. You can drag and drop from the content where this one and also this one. So okay, so this asset is fully ready. I mean fully ready for importing in the project. So as you can see here, if I can maximize the view, this is a liquid container. So it's like a precious container, precious liquid from out of the world, and it's carrying to the base or something. So yeah, use it according to to your needs in a project. And if I can show you the shaded wireframe version. So this is the wireframe actually. So you can see here. So it's a basic shape, and it's a pretty low poly. It's coming with basic as I am keeping the poly count as minimum as possible. So this asset is ideal for for a RTS game set, game set, or you can use it in a third person or first person. It's no matter actually. So okay, that is from the Unity actually, and I will keep continuing it in the Unreal. So I hope you are enjoying it, and you will be remain until the end and keep watching. So this is Rover 6. This is the mineral container and a precious mineral container. So thank you. If anyone needs this asset, just text me below or contact with me. I will be happy to know that you are using this asset. So thank you. Hi everyone, you are seeing the Rover 6 from the Unreal Engine 5.3. So you are seeing here this project is already done, fully done. So as like the Unity, you are seeing this is the dark metal. In front of the vehicle is dark metal. This one is camouflage, and this one is the Mars. So as like the Unity, you have in Unreal, you have also the three variation. And this is the content where, so you can have the FBX files, and also the textures. So all the textures are 4K, and the materials are ready. So this is the material section. All of the materials are ready. So 3 vehicles containing 11 materials. So yeah, if I can maximize the view, you can have a better look. That you can see this vehicle is like the other one. It's the same size. It's a huge, by the way, but it's it's a liquid container, so it's containing precious material, and the material is lighting up. So for the game purpose, I just use this kind of effect that it's carrying some precious liquid material. So yeah, so I think this vehicle will look very fantastic in a RTS gameplay, or RTS as a RTS unit. So yeah, if you need this asset, this will come with a bundle, and also you can use it as you can purchase it as a single asset also. So this one you can use it in a first person game also, or this is actually I keep in mind for the RTS one, because this is basically basic low poly. So you can use it in a RTS section kind of environment very nicely. Look at the emissive colors. They're very good to see. And I use some post processing for this one, a basic post processing, actually some blooms and color correction, temperature, and also vignette. So yeah. So if you need this asset, you just contact with me, and you just text me that you need this one. And if you use this one, I will be very happy to know that you purchase, and you contact with me that you need one. So yeah, so this is number 6. So I will be back on number 7, number 8, and up to the number 10. So this package, I'm creating up to number 10. So 1 to 10 rover. So thank you all. Keep watching and stay with me. Bye, everyone.